Sectional views are drawings that allow the viewer of the drawing, or whoever it is that is the machinist, whoever it is that is going to be manufacturing the part, to see the part in such a fashion that the part will not have any hidden lines. In order to create a section view, right here what we have going on is this would be the top view of this part right here. This line right here, B, what this is showing you, this is the area that, let's pretend there's a saw. What a saw is going to do is a saw is going to cut along this line. And when the saw does that, basically think of it this way. The saw is coming down this line. What's happening then is everything on this side of the line B is going to be thrown away in the garbage. You are then going to take this part and rotate it. And when you rotate it, this is what you are going to see. So in a section view, what we're doing is we're taking a saw, we are cutting right down the line right there. Everything on the other side of the arrows gets thrown away. You then take the part and rotate it, and you draw what you see. Then what you also have here is you have all these hash lines. These hash lines are going to be material that is actually cut by the saw. If you notice, right in here we have a couple of holes. It dips down, there's a hole right there, there's another, it comes up, there's another hole right here. All these hollowed out areas, those are all areas that the saw wouldn't cut. It's open air. The hash lines are the areas where the saw would cut. So this is the answer to the section drawing for this part right here. Scrolling on down to another answer, to another one. If this part right here, if you were to cut it, like it's asking to be cut, okay, it basically what that is saying was right here, the part A right here, we are going to be cutting it up along the edge, this edge right here, and when we cut it, what you're then going to be doing is from that view, rotating it and throwing away everything that you see, and this is what is left. Same with this premise here, this is only a quarter cut, so if this is going to be your cut, it is basically this portion right here. If it's cut out, all in there gets cut out. The hash line shows you material that is cut. As you can see, there's a lot of circles in there. Everything else is open air. So that is how you do a sectional view. So again, a sectional view, what you're doing with a sectional view is you are pretending that you are cutting the part with a saw. You're going to follow along the lines that it tells you to follow along at. Coming straight on down here, you're going to cut it. You're going to take everything on the other side of the line, throw it in the garbage, take your part here, rotate it up, and whatever you see is what gets sketched, and that is the section view.